Welcome to our Countertop Ice Maker Showdown. Today we're comparing the Silonn Ice Maker and the Igloo Automatic Ice Maker. Both machines promise to deliver fresh ice quickly and efficiently. But which one truly stands out? We'll dive into their features, performance, and design to help you make an informed decision. Let's get started. The Silonn Ice Maker boasts an impressive ice production time of just 6 minutes for a batch of 9 cubes, making it one of the fastest options available. In contrast, the Igloo Automatic Ice Maker takes 7 minutes for the same quantity. This slight difference can be crucial for those who need ice quickly, especially during gatherings or parties. When it comes to energy consumption, the Igloo Ice Maker is the clear winner, using only 120 watts compared to Silonn's 160 watts. This lower power draw not only saves on electricity bills, but also makes it a more environmentally friendly option for continuous use. The Silonn Ice Maker features a larger water tank capacity of approximately 2.0 liters, allowing for less frequent refills compared to the Igloo's 1.5-quart tank. This means you can enjoy a continuous supply of ice without the hassle of constant monitoring and refilling. In conclusion, both the Silonn and Igloo ice makers have their strengths. The Silonn excels in speed and water capacity, while the Igloo offers energy efficiency and brand trust. Depending on your needs, either could be a great addition to your kitchen. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.